Hello, my name is Brittany Kiefer, and I'm a fourth-year social sciences student at the University of Lethbridge, and I just came back from the most incredible experience. This summer, I was able to partake in our international summer exchange programs and was set up with wonderful people in the international management program. They really got me started in a direction that I didn't even think could happen. The international exchange summer programs really emphasize a mandate that our university follows. It's cooperative learning. So right from the very start, I felt really comfortable. I was open with my advisors, and they really picked a good direction for me to go in, and I ended up going through an application process to apply to Aja University, which is in Suwon, South Korea. And again, I cannot stress how amazing this experience was. From the beginning, getting on the plane, knowing where I'm going, had a connection right away when I touched ground in Korea, and was able to make international relations very quickly. They made it very easy for you to do that. And I was really pushed out of my comfort zone. I made a lot of really good friendships. I broadened my awareness of my surroundings and my environment, and I came back as a student knowing not only that this world exists inside of the University of Lethbridge, but outside as well. And I was able to really become globally aware. I was able to think about things more conceptually, more analytically. I took on 3 courses and just had an awesome time with my fellow peers. They really structured it for you to have fun and be there for academic purposes, but also for personal reasons too, to really build who you are as a person and become a better student and pursue other avenues coming back. So, thanks.